Experiencing random shutdowns of your SEAT Ateca's infotainment system? The most common culprits are software glitches and power supply issues, particularly in 2016-2020 models with the MIB2 system. First, check your battery voltage. Anything below 12 volts can cause shutdowns. Also, inspect the 10A fuse in the fuse box under the steering column. For a quick fix, try a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, navigate to the Settings menu for a soft reset. For software-related problems, ensure your system is updated to the latest firmware, version 1.34 or higher, which can be done via the SEAT dealer network or over-the-air (OTA) if available. A dealer software update is often the best first step, as updates resolve 70 to 80% of issues. Remember to avoid using aftermarket accessories that could drain power and worsen the issue. If initial fixes don't work, schedule a professional diagnostic at a SEAT dealership. They use OBD2 tools for thorough software flashes. As a last resort, consider replacing aging hardware components. To future-proof, perform regular battery checks and install software updates. SEAT integrates AI diagnostics into the MySeat app for smartphone self-troubleshooting. Newer Ateca e-hybrid models have robust power management to prevent voltage drops. Stay proactive with maintenance to avoid costly repairs. Prioritize software fixes and backup data before resets.